Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have started with the unit 3, that is measures of central tendency. Okay, in that what I have explained to you about the methods. How many methods we have there? Nothing but mean, median and mode. Even I have explained about what is the mean and its formulas also have given. In mean, how many methods we have? Individual series, discrete series and continuous series. So today we are going to see the problem which is related to the individual series. So one very important point here, in the question he won't be giving that whether the question is an individual series or discrete series or continuous series. We have to find whether it is an individual, discrete or continuous. So how to find whether it is individual, discrete or continuous means, so first you see the question what he has given here. Calculate the arithmetic mean of the monthly incomes of the families in a certain locality in India, in Hyderabad. So what is the question here? Calculate the arithmetic mean or average or mean is everything is same. Calculate the arithmetic mean of the monthly incomes of the families in a certain locality in Hyderabad he has given. So nothing but in a locality or else in an area, they have taken a data which is relating to the family's income. So here A to J, how many families they have? A to J, okay, total 10 families income they have taken. Each individual family's income they have taken. A 90, B 75, C 60, D 100, E 125, F 50, G 80, okay, H 25, I 500, J 400. So individual family income they have taken, and what they have asked to calculate mean. So individual family income information he has given. So we should treat it like a individual series. Once again I will explain to you. Listen carefully here. The incomes are taken individually. A family income, B family income. Nothing but families individual income they have taken. So nothing but here we have to apply the formula which is related to the individual series. Okay, in case of individual series I have given you two formulas. What are they? Direct method and shortcut method. What I have given you? Direct method and shortcut method. Okay, that is your wish that you can apply a direct method or shortcut method, but today I am going to explain both the methods. Okay, so first you see first what you have to write means calculate arithmetic mean. Calculate arithmetic mean you have to write, and here, okay, here what you have to do means first family you have to take. What you have to take here? Family. How many families we have? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, next afterwards incomes. Incomes are nothing but X. Incomes are nothing but X here. Okay, 90, 75, 60, 100, 125, 50, 80, 120, 500 and 400. Okay, so once again you see here what we have written heading here calculate arithmetic mean we have written. A to J family we have taken nothing but X. X is nothing but here incomes. In the question incomes he has given these incomes I have taken here. So here actually what is the formula in case of direct method direct method formula in case of mean. Direct method formula in case of mean, what is the formula? Sigma x by n. What is the formula? Sigma x by n. So sigma x means what? Total of this x or summation x. Total of this x. Nothing but we have to total this x. Total this x. Okay, then you will be getting this sigma or summation x. Okay, clear? Then n. What is the n here? N is nothing but number of items. Number of how many families are there here? Totally 10 families are there. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 families are there. So here sigma x is equal to how much and n is equal to how much. Sigma x is equal to how much and n is equal to how much. So now what you have to do, you have to total this. How much you got here? 1600. Add this 1600. Okay, clear? So now n. So sigma x is how much? 1600 and n is equal to how much? N is equal to how much? 10. So now apply the formula. Mean is equal to 1600 divided by 10. Mean is equal to 1600 divided by 10. So 0 0 cancel, and now mean is equal to how much? 160. mean is equal to how much? 160. Nothing but in that locality, averagely the income earned by those all 10 families is 160 rupees. Average it is how much? 160 rupees. This is in case of individual series. Okay, once again I will explain how to do the mean in case of individual series. Means first we have to take all the families. Next we have to do x. X is nothing but here incomes. Okay, all the incomes we have taken, and we have to add. After adding this, how much we got here? 1600. This 1600 is nothing but sigma x or summation x. Now we have to apply in the formula. What is the formula here? In case of direct method, mean is equal to sigma x by n. Sigma x is how much? 1600, and n is equal to how much? 10. So here mean is equal to how much? 1600 divided by 10. Then mean is how much we got here? 160. Nothing but in that area, averagely 10 families earning 160 rupees. Averagely how much they are earning? 10 families are earning 160 rupees. This is in case of direct method. Have you understood? This is in case of direct method. Okay, is it clear? Next. Okay na? So next we go to the shortcut method. Okay, so before I am explaining the shortcut method, today what you do means, first of all, today you practice this direct method. Okay, tomorrow I will explain how to do the shortcut method. Clear up?